Hi, tell me your name and where you're from.
So I'm Priya, I'm from New York City.
So what have you learned at FDDF Live?
I think I've learned two things today. One is just not getting stuck when making offers, is not getting stuck what the buyer is going to pay me, and based on that, not offering what the seller really wants, trying to make it work for the buyer. But right now, when I need to get into a contract, I need to make it for the seller and not for the buyer. The second thing that I just realized, like literally, it just sparked me right now, is my husband. I never realized that he becomes, when we are working on these numbers, he's the numbers guy. So I do sit down with him to work on these numbers, and he talks me out of making those 3 offers, is because he gets stuck on the make-whole and he thinks that is the best offer, because that is a good offer. But when you go for 3 offers and when you are able to offer more money for a longer term, it is a good offer for us and for the seller. It's a two-way thing. But we get stuck there, is we talk ourselves out of it, and I don't land up giving real good 3 offers and closing, and that's why I don't get myself in a contract. So it's a total for me right now. Like, I'm like, oh my God, I need to stop listening to him and I need to do this on my own. If I sit down for numbers with him, he's going to talk me out of it. I just need to figure this out. Like, I want to do it with him, but this is going to be something that I'm going to have to do it myself and get it into contract, and then go sit down with him and then try to figure out if the numbers are right or wrong. And because I'm not binding to it. I can get out of it if I'm wrong, but I need to get into it to even be able to get out of it. So yes, that's what is my takeaway today. Like, I can't believe I've been watching these videos for so many weeks and months, but this did not strike me till I'm sitting here in live. And good that he's here today. Twice he talked me out of making offers on those 2 houses, and I'm like, yeah, you just talked me out of making that 3rd offer. Like, we don't even get to the 2nd offer. We just don't even make that 3rd offer. Like, what is wrong with us? Like, that's where we are. So yes.
Awesome. Fantastic. Now, I know he's super smart and he's the numbers guy, right?
Yes.
But real estate investing from a woman's perspective is different. How is that different for you?
It's just that for me, it's I'm also a numbers person. I'm doing this for numbers. I'm doing this for us to make money. He is more secured because he looks at the security of everything. And even I am looking at the security, but I'm looking at it at a bigger picture. I think he's stuck in that smaller picture in to a certain extent. He does have a bigger picture, but his bigger picture is very secure. And so that doesn't allow him to take risk that I can, because yes, the reason I can take risk is because he does keep us secured. So it does let me take that risk. So I need to keep him out of it. I need to keep him. I wanted to get him in this, but I think I need to keep him out of it. Otherwise, I'm not going to move ahead. So yes.
Awesome. If anybody's thinking about coming to FDDF Live, what would you tell them?
I would tell them, please come. Even if you watched any videos, all videos, I have actually watched. I think, Whitney, first time I spoke to you was almost 3 years ago when I heard one of your podcasts, and we spoke, and even that time my husband kind of talked me out of it for whatever, and then we've been following you, and finally I was able to convince him this year that this is what we needed to do. It's different. 3 years I've been following Whitney. I don't know how many podcasts I've heard from you, how many videos I've watched, your YouTubes, your Facebook lives, like everything. But right now, sitting here, it's just a group of people that we are sitting here with. And when everybody adds why they think a certain way, it just makes me realize that, yeah, I do think that way, but I stop myself because there is something else that's blocking me. And this has made me realize that just sitting with these ladies here and everybody here, it's just a thought process. In live session, it's different than any videos that you'll ever watch.
So come join us, huh?
Yes, please. Please.
Awesome. Anything else you want to tell me?
No, I'm just like, thank you. Thank you for just getting me out of the zone. Like, I'm stuck. I knew I could do all this. We can sit down and work numbers. I'm not that much of a talkative person. I'm also a numbers person, but it's just about getting out and doing it. It's yeah. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Woohoo!